Which of these is a fruit? Tomato. It's a botanical fruit as it contains seed and grows from a flower of a tomato plant. Which bird do we see during the night? It's an owl. They have a good night vision. What does a fireman works with? A fireman uses fire engine to extinguish fire. What do we call house made of ice? Igloo is a house made of snow and is found in cold region. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. How many arms does an octopus has? Octopus is a sea animal and has 8 arms. Which one of these is a non-living thing? It's a chair, as it cannot breathe, grow or move on its own. Which one of these fruits tastes sour? Sweet lime. Limes can either be sweet or sour. Which sense organ help us perceive different tastes and flavors? It's the tongue. How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Which is the largest land animal? It's the elephant. Which of these animals lay eggs? Hen lays eggs and is a domesticated animal. Which of these are triangular objects? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Which one is the dog's house? It's kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Which is the tallest animal on earth? Giraffe is the tallest animal with a height of up to 19 feet. What does cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. Thank you.